Okay, let's look at area 2 of the problem solving and data analysis, which is units and conversions. Now, units and conversions are very simple uh, dimensional analysis, but you just have to follow a very simple process to get it down. In this particular case, we are given all the various uh, conversions, and they want us to find how many kilometers is in 1 mile. So the question is, we want to find 1 mile. Now, I'm going to use a very simple approach. So I'm going to say 1 mile. We want to convert it to kilometers. So what we're going to do is we're going to now go through the process we did earlier on. So we're going to say, well, we need to find a mile so that the mile will end up canceling. And we can compute now. We know 1 mile is equal to, we gradually move from left to right until we can get 1 mile. At least we have a convention here. So 1 mile is 52. So this is 5280 feet. So that satisfies that. Now, then we can actually have another convention that will take care of the feet. Now, what other convention do we have? We know 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So we just put the 12 inches here. It's equal to 1 foot. And then our plan is to now find a way to remove the inch from the system. So what other convention do we have? Now we know we have 2.5 centimeters equal to 1 inch. So that's to give you a 2.54 cm. Now the next thing to do is to go ahead and cut the cm out of the business. And so there's a relationship between cm and meters. So we have 100 cm. We're going to put 100 here, and that will be equal to 1 meter. And now our next thing is to multiply this. We're going to multiply this here by, and we're going to put it right here, down here. So by, and we need to have the meter here. So what other conversion do we have? So we have 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. So 1,000 and then 1 km. That means we've done pretty much, we are done. So we've ended with a kilometer. So all we need to do, we need to look at all the top numbers, multiply them, and multiply the bottom numbers, and then we divide. Therefore, we have 1 times 5280 times 12, because as you can tell, this mile will cancel this mile, this feet will cancel this feet, this inch will cancel this inch, centimeter will cancel centimeter, and the meter here will cancel meter. So once I finish, the answer will be in kilometers, and that will be the 1 mile thing. So I have 12 here, and then I have times 2.54 times 1 times 1, and you don't have to repeat the 1 because they don't mean anything. Divide by, I have my 100 times 1,000. And what is that equal to? So let's bring our calculator here. Bring our little calculator in the process here. And we have 5280 times 12 times 2.54. We're going to divide this one by 100, and then 3 more zeros. With this 100, and then 3 more zeros. 1, 2, 3, and that is this. And that gives us 1.60, something like that. So 1.601 or 1.61. So that comes back here and says it's about 1.61 kilometers. So that means 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometers. So this is a very simple thing. I want you to have, memorize it, that 1 mile is equal to 1.61 km for you to be able to do basic calculation. But this is how you use conventional analysis or dimensional analysis to actually find these kind of units. So you gradually move until you cancel all what you need, bring all what you have available to you, and then by the time you finish, you just multiply the tops and the bottoms and you're in good shape. All right, so that is how simple this can be.